Let's see what we have here. We got a ClickShare cup to hold some ClickShare buttons. Now we have a brand new ClickShare. All right. We're looking at the ClickShare CX-50. What's in the box? Pretty. All right, we got 2 ClickShare buttons to be installed. Into this handy ClickShare button holder. I'm assuming that this is extra because it's not packaged in, but we can double check that. All right, let's break out ClickShare buttons. Can handle 4, as you can see here. Fits nicely in the system. They made it not look like a coffee mug. The older ones were made of stainless steel. They were very pretty, very nice looking, but they looked very much like a coffee mug. Move these stuff out of here. All right. Easy instructions on how to get set up. Quick setup guide for the CX-50. Everything you need to do the install. Nice to see an actual physical book inside. All right. We obviously know what this is, but let's see what comes inside the package. All right, you got your power supply, which is a seems like a very standard 12 volt 4.2 amp power supply. Put that over to the side. And inside is what we're all waiting for. Here we go. The Barco ClickShare 50. And physically pretty, all black. I like the blacked out. There's no silver lettering or any of that. And then we get to what most people are waiting to see, the back of the system. You got your HDMI out, LAN port, 2 USBs. You got a USB-C. You have an HDMI, another HDMI, but that's HDMI in, your 12 volt in, and an area for your Kensington lock. Looks like it has an area for your for your audio. And by the way, if I didn't mention this, these ClickShare buttons are the USB-C. Ta-da! It's kind of how you do it, right? In the front of the unit, you have your USB, power button, fairly small, fairly simple. Let's take this, put it on that, and there you have it. That's the ClickShare 50 unboxing. Everything I have is in front of you. Next video will be to show you what I actually do and how I put this together. And thank you all for watching.